Hensler Swiss Pharma is your go-to expert partner for the three Galenic areas of liquid solutions, semi-solid solutions, and solid solutions throughout the entire value creation process, from the product idea to success in the market. We develop tailor-made solutions for our customers, from product development to sourcing, manufacturing, and packaging, right through to successful market development. One of our core areas of expertise is refining raw materials into active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, and ensuring the corresponding documentation. Experts from different fields work together with our in-house laboratory team on new product innovations every day. When it comes to procuring raw materials, we have exclusive trade access and can procure difficult-to-access raw materials, hazardous substances, and controlled substances. Hensler offers GMP-compliant production and packaging for liquid solutions, semi-solid solutions, and solid solutions alike in a wide range of primary and secondary packaging, as well as in industrial containers. We are also experts in manufacturing products with stringent safety requirements and hazardous goods. We flexibly adapt batch sizes to customer needs and use manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic systems as required. As an FDA-audited company certified in line with both GMP and GDP, we place the highest value on quality and safety. We provide complete documentation packages and always work to the highest quality standards. You can look forward to market success with a skilled, reliable partner at your side. We would be happy to provide you with tailored advice on our liquid, semi-solid, and solid solutions.